Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. When your lawn has slowed in growth due to winter, it can be vulnerable to weeds. They tend to pop up in the thin or sparse areas, so ensuring your lawn goes into winter thick and healthy is the key to prevention. Bindii and clover are two of the most common weeds that rear their head during winter, so if you've noticed they've started to invade your lawn, here is what you need to know. Bindii grows in the winter and goes to seed in early spring. The best time to target Bindii is in winter before it produces a seed pod and spreads throughout your lawn. Bindii can be managed by hand or by applying a selective broadleaf herbicide like Bindii or all-purpose weed control. By blanket spraying all affected areas with one of these selective herbicides, the Bindii should die off within 7 to 10 days. These products will help to eradicate Bindii and are safe to use on most varieties of buffalo except the ST varieties. Bindii is suitable for use on most other grasses including Sawalter DNA certified buffalo lawn, Grange Zoysia, TifTuf Hybrid Bermuda, Nullarbor couchgrass and Eureka Kikuyu. Another common winter weed you may see is clover. Now clover may be a lucky charm to some, but you may not be so lucky to have an infestation of it in your lawn. As far as weeds go, on the ease of removal scale, clover is one of the easier weeds to remove from your lawn. Once again, Bindii and all-purpose weed control will help to do the trick here, but there is another thing you have to consider for treatment. Clover is a legume, like alfalfa, that actually draws nitrogen from the air and stores it in its roots. As the roots die back, the nitrogen is replenished into the soil. When there is sufficient nitrogen in the soil, the clover struggles to survive. So increasing the level of nitrogen by applying fertiliser is a must to slow the clover down and to prevent it from coming back. Another tip is to keep your lawn height a bit higher. Clover doesn't mind being cut too short, but your lawn generally doesn't do as well, particularly in winter. When weeds do occur, it's important to act early. That way you can get on top of them before they become too difficult to manage. For more helpful lawn care tips and advice, and for lawn related products all through the year, check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia and we hope to catch you next time.